Oh my gosh, I'm back.
Yay!
I've been busy, y'all. I've been growing food, cooking food, moisturizing everything. Oh, and making humans. Say hi to Ito and Kisa. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I had twin boys. I can't believe I'm a whole mom of 3. And yes, I'm gonna be posting videos here on YouTube and Instagram on hair care for newborns, babies, toddlers, and kiddos. I still grow a lot of my hair products and I'm always experimenting. We have over 20 trees and grow tons of African ingredients. So let me know below if you want me to post a garden tour. I've been growing most of what I eat for over 7 years now. And I'm telling you, it's a lot easier than what's portrayed out there. As far as an update on my hair, I cut off about 7 inches back in September 2024. I felt like it was time for a bit of a fresh start, and I didn't feel like dealing with so much bulk as I entered my 3rd trimester. This was my hair right after the haircut. I tried to cut it into layers, can you tell? Even with a fresh cut, I wore this beanie on my head every time I went out for like what felt like a whole month. And right before I had the twins, I put my hair into mini twists and I redid it in sections every week or so for months. This is my hair now. It's not quite waist length anymore, but my ends are nice. And I still have bulk even after postpartum shedding. And for the channel, products, and website, there's a lot of new and exciting things coming, so stay tuned. The 19-ounce herbal hot oil treatment and the 16-ounce pH balancing spritz are both sold out. We do have some 4-ounce and 7-ounce sizes left, but they're popular products, so if you're looking to stock up, now is the best time to do it. All right, y'all, I'm happy to be back doing research and making videos. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.